Welcome to our journey through mindfulness. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the hustle and the relentless demands. Stress and anxiety often accompany us daily. But what if a simple and profoundly effective solution exists? Enter mindfulness, a practice with a robust reputation for enhancing mental health. As we introduce the theme of our video, we'll explore how this ancient technique remains incredibly relevant today, helping to combat stress and improve overall well-being. Join us as we explore the transformative power of mindfulness. Let's dive deeper into the essence of mindfulness, a modern-day remedy for our bustling lives. Mindfulness involves being present and fully engaged in the moment, free from distraction or judgment. It allows us to observe the world without the constant internal commentary that often clouds our minds. Its benefits for mental health are significant and scientifically supported. Mindfulness lowers stress levels, reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression, and enhances overall well-being. It helps us regulate our emotions, empowering us to handle life's challenges more effectively. What does neuroscience reveal? Brain imaging studies indicate that mindfulness practices reshape our brains. Areas responsible for attention, emotion regulation, and self-awareness expand with regular mindfulness practice, proving our mental habits and responses are malleable. Now let's examine practical mindfulness techniques such as meditation, yoga, and focused breathing. Meditation might involve sitting quietly, concentrating on your breath or a mantra. Yoga merges physical postures, breath work, and meditation, providing a dynamic approach to mindfulness. To integrate mindfulness into your life, start with a few minutes of daily meditation. In a quiet space, sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Without judgment, gently return your focus to your breath whenever thoughts distract you. This practice fosters calm and awareness, enhancing your daily life. By adopting these techniques, you pave the way toward mental clarity and emotional resilience. As we proceed, you'll discover how to seamlessly incorporate these practices, enriching every moment with presence and peace. Unlock the potential of your mind on this transformative journey. Continuing our exploration, let's integrate mindfulness seamlessly into our daily routines. It's not only for quiet moments alone, it involves engaging mindfully throughout the day, enriching your experiences. Imagine starting your day with a deep breath, feeling your surroundings, and setting a positive intention. As you enjoy your morning coffee or tea, fully immerse in the experience. Notice the warmth, aroma, and taste. During your commute or while walking to work, observe the colors and sounds, feel your feet on the ground, and let your thoughts pass without judgment. Incorporating mindfulness at work can revolutionize your approach to challenges. Before meetings, a few deep breaths can prepare you mentally, releasing prior stress. When interacting with colleagues, being fully present enhances connections and efficiency. Remember, the essence of mindfulness is self-compassion and patience. It's okay not to be perfect every day. The key is acceptance without harsh judgment. Embracing mindfulness not only boosts your mental health, but enriches your life with a vivid quality of presence, permeating every aspect of your day. As we continue, consider how these practices can transform your well-being and connections. Mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. Each step enhances self-awareness and peace. It's not about perfection from the start, it's about progression. Even a few minutes daily can alter your world experience. Today, I encourage you to embrace the practices we've discussed, from mindful breathing to walking, and integrate them into your routine. Start small and stay consistent. Watch as mindfulness transforms not just moments, but your entire life. As we conclude, remember, this is only the beginning of your personal journey. Practice daily and witness the transformative power in your life. Let's keep practicing, one breath at a time.